the Victorian High Country. It's a place of epic proportions and amazing landscapes, but it can turn nasty if you're not careful and plan what you do very carefully. We always travel alone out here. No convoy, no backups, just us, the Landcruiser, and whatever the High Country throws at us. So we've got to be really careful. Today we're testing the OPENROAD 13,500 winch on Orton's track. A track that's deceptively tough, even when it's dry. About halfway along Orton's track, just past the camping area, heading from north to south, or probably more appropriately east to west from Mount Steve track to Gidley, there's a huge climb. It is steep, treacherous, and well known throughout the Victorian High Country. This climb has broken many cars and had many rollovers over the years, requiring full rescue, so it's not to be taken lightly. As usual, the camera just doesn't do this climb justice. This is a steep climb, 70 degrees, maybe more in some sections. There's some huge washouts and a massive rock face that's been exposed during the winter rains. To give you a bit of an idea, that's me filming at the bottom of the hill with the drone from about 3/4 of the way up the hill. Today, for us, being solo and on our own, we decided to give the big hill a miss. Just too dangerous. The northern end of Orton's track within itself can be pretty tricky. A lot of big rocks and a few decent washouts, and a half decent climb getting out.
A big trout there.
Don't know.
Oh shit.
We're going to wish. Yeah, so I guess we're going to have to use the winch. As you can see, looking up the track, she's pretty gnarly.
Whew. So a bit of a gnarly little hill coming up there. Got to put the winch out. Yeah, of course, no problem. There was a pretty big hole we put the back wheels in, or put the wheel went through to be stuck there. Like there was a bloody great big washout. I possibly could have gone around the other side, but anyway, we wanted to run the winch. And of course, 13,500 pound winch. Pulling a Landcruiser, yeah, no worries at all. No worries at all. So glad to have that open road winch. I mean, we're out here solo, so rather than smash the vehicle, sometimes we'll use the winch just to get through instead of busting tail shafts and wheel bearings. You don't want to be stuck out here on the side of one of these cliff faces trying to fix the CV, you know, or a broken tail shaft. So sometimes better to just use the winch, take the load off the vehicle, let the winch do the work. That's what it's there for, and look after your gear.
Since filming this trip, we've used the open road winch quite a few times, and it's performed flawlessly every time. If you're looking for a good winch at an economic price that performs every time, get on the Open Road website. We'll leave a link in the description.